How to sign up GCash account. Signing up for GCash account is quick and easy and simply follow these steps. Firstly, go to the Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS and search for the GCash and download the app. Once the GCash app is downloaded, open the GCash app on your phone. Now, inside GCash login screen, you can see fill out the registration form of the mobile number. Now enter a valid mobile number, Glove, TV, Smart, TNT or DTO and tap next. A 6-digit OTP will be sent to your mobile number via SMS. Then enter the OTP in the app. Now provide the full name, birthday, address, email address and create a secure PIN and verify your identity. Now your verification will be processed within 24 hours and you will receive a confirmation SMS or email once approved. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.